In this video, I will be showing you how to use Napkin AI to generate a professional flowchart from your text. Let's get started. I'll start by selecting the option to paste my text. This opens a workspace where I can input my content, like this content creation workflow. Once the text is ready, I click the blue lightning bolt icon to generate visual suggestions. On the left panel, I can browse through various AI-generated layouts, including grids, timelines, and cycles. I'll scroll through these options and select this chain link style to apply it to my canvas. Now, I can start editing the visual. By clicking on any section, like drafting and enhancement, I can modify the text or use the AI tools to explore different icons and styles for that specific block. When the design is ready, I'll click the Share button in the top right. First, I'll export a PDF. I can choose between light or dark mode before clicking Download to save the file. I can also export the visual as an image. I'll go back to the Share menu, select PNG, and set the resolution to 2x for a high-quality finish. Finally, I'll download the file and open the image to see my new flowchart ready for use. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Napkin AI to generate flowchart.